Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Filipino ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, my name is Kat. Welcome to the 2000 Core Filipino Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is teclado, keyboard, teclado, teclado, keyboard. Tugtugin ang teklado. Play the keyboard. Tugtugin ang teklado. Pantal. Rush. Pantal. Pantal. Rush. Makating pantal. Itchy rash. Makating pantal. Pagduduwal. Nausea. Pagduduwal. Pagduduwal. Nausea. Pagduduwal at pagsusuka. Nausea and vomiting. Pagduduwal at pagsusuka. Bakante. Vacancy. Bakante. Bakante. Vacancy. Walang bakante ang parking lot na ito. This parking lot has no vacancy. Walang bakante ang parking lot na ito. Ping-pong. 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 Maglaro ng ping-pong. Play ping-pong. Maglaro ng ping-pong. Tumatakbo. Running. Tumatakbo. Tumatakbo. Running. Ang pagtakbo ay isang magandang ehersisyo upang palakasin ang puso at baga. Running is a great exercise to strengthen the heart and lungs. Ang pagtakbo ay isang magandang ehersisyo upang palakasin ang puso at baga. DVD. 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 DVD player at remote control. DVD player and remote control. DVD player at remote control. Bala ng stapler. Staple. Bala ng stapler. Bala ng stapler. Staple. Kahon ng bala ng stapler. Box of staples. Kahon ng bala ng stapler. 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 Isauli mo ang stapler ko. Return my stapler. Isauli mo ang stapler ko. Magpakasal. Marry. Magpakasal. Magpakasal. Marry. Gusto kitang pakasalan. I want to marry you. Gusto kitang pakasalan. Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or phrase in English. Respond in Filipino, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say keyboard? Teclado. Teclado. And how to say rash? Pantal. Pantal. What about nausea? Pagduduwal. Pagduduwal. Do you remember how to say vacancy? Bakante. Bakante. Let's try ping pong. Ping pong. Ping pong. What about running? Tumatakbo. Tumatakbo. Now, let's see if you remember how to say DVD. 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 Another one. What about staple? Bala ng stapler. Bala ng stapler. Do you remember how to say stapler? Stapler. Stapler. And finally, do you remember how to say marry? Magpakasal. Magpakasal. Well done! See you next time! Paalam!